it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my...
Hello, happy Saturday. Welcome back to the last day of my weekly vlog, which is on Saturday. So I hope all of you guys are doing well. So yeah, we finna go do some little browsing and going to a little grilling competition. So I want to take you guys along with me. So if you're ready, let's go. So by the way, before I go, if you're new here to my channel, welcome. My name is Mattie and I do all things beauty, and I also do lifestyle vlogs now. So if that interests you, please continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Also click on that notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload any videos. So yeah guys, let's go. We're gonna go to this Grilling on Main event in a town next to me, probably 6 miles from me. So I wanted to take you guys with me. I'm just with outfit of the day is just this pink tee. Y'all probably have already seen it on my me with this on, but it's cool. And I have on my distressed shorts, and I have on some flip-flops. But I guess I can share with you guys what I'm wearing. So by the way, I just have on this pink tee with this pink cap here, and some distressed shorts from New York and Company. This little tee is from Walmart, and I have on my flip-flops. Yeah, I have on some flip-flops, some Nike flip-flops, and my big earrings. So yeah guys, woo-hoo. Yeah. Okay you guys, we have arrived at the Grilling on Main. It's in Louisiana, where I'm from. So they have this every year, and with my husband we usually come. It's on like on a Friday and a Saturday. So we are gonna get out, and I did put on a little makeup today guys. I did. I want to look a little cute today, because even though you can't do nothing with the hair and you want to wear a hat, you do the face, all of that falls in place, you guys. I'm looking over here in the mirror, you know. Your girl looking in the mirror, you know. So I do have on some gloss. I'm gonna hurry up and get out this car, because it is a little hot. And I know I got it up in my face. And I got to get me a car mount. I mentioned that one time before in my vlogs. I seen one on Amazon. I think I have it in my cart. This is what I'm wearing by Fenty, the clear gloss. And this one here is Diamond Milk. So yeah y'all. And I have my big my big bag today because I want to carry my camera. I put me some water in here in case I don't want to, because I don't drink a lot of sodas, and they water, it costs, you know, the water price for a bottle is probably $3 or $4 at the most. Okay guys, let's get out and get started.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Okay y'all, we're out here at the event. And you guys, I forgot my sunglasses. I took them out of my car when I had to take my car to get put in the shop because of the hail damage. And I took the shades in the house, which I have tons of shades, and I forgot to pick them up and put them in my car a while ago. So yeah, the girl is without shades, but it's fine. We're not gonna be here very long because my husband got some things he wanna do around the house today. So yeah, check back in with you guys in a little bit. We're gonna go walk around, see what's cooking, and we're getting us a corn dog right now. So yeah, I'm learning to vlog in public, so y'all stay tuned. There's a lot of noise in the background, so from different, I guess, generators or whatever. They got funnel cakes too. You know, like a different kind of cake.
Time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got
Okay, you guys, we're gonna make the corn dog. We headed out somewhere else. My husband is getting ribs. He wanna try some ribs.
Right, my brother.
So I want you in there with me.
Oh, I ain't know if you want me to go over here and try this, see if you know what you know.
There's Shantan over there.
Oh.
Shantan.
Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please the maker, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Just be. Don't take it. Take it. Just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal.
Hey, to the
We
camera.
just building.
Yeah, y'all look like y'all did when y'all first got married.
Really?
Yeah, I know y'all thought y'all was a little church.
You did? I know, right?
Vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Okay, good people. We're headed back to the vehicle. We is so hot, y'all. It's like, what, 90-some degrees today? But we had a good time, and I hope you guys had enjoyed the little journey with us today, a little festivity we had today. Wasn't much to do, but yeah. So I will get back with you guys in a little while, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, guys, we are home. We are home, and the weather is, it's beautiful, but it's hot. And I don't know what the temperature is. It is hot. Let me see. Well, it's 90 degrees. And y'all, we had a good time. I know it didn't seem long, but I didn't film everything because, you know, we did our little round and about, you know, and kind of walked the area and seen a lot of different ones that was cooking and from different places. And then I know I showed in the vlog where a black guy, he won the 2021 Memphis in May competition in the barbecue, I guess. And I got a chance to get him on camera. And yeah, it was pretty nice. And I was hope you guys enjoyed that journey. I'm trying to do a lot of activities where you guys, so I can take you guys along with me. Sometimes it get difficult because sometimes I don't do things every day, every weekend. I'm here in a small town, and if I travel, I will. You know, we have family here sometime, and so probably on next week, which is the Father's Day weekend, and plus Juneteenth, I will have my kids will be here, and we'll be doing some cooking and all that kind of stuff, or just family gatherings together. Yeah, but your girl is tired and I'm sweaty, look, and I just took a shower before I went, so the girl is warm. So I probably will check back in with you guys a little bit later. I want to show you guys my car. We had hail damage here where I live, really bad hail damage to where it damaged my house, which I live in a double wide manufactured home, and this is supposed to just been our starter home, but I love it. We thinking about building, but we still just kind of like up in the air on it. We don't know what we want to do. We are empty nesters now. All of the kids are grown, and we have grandbabies, but yeah, they come and visit, but they go back home. So yeah, but we enjoy them, we love them. And so I want to share with you guys my car. It looks good. It looks good. What I'm trying to say is I wasn't sure if they could really fix this car. They had to order all the parts for that car. So, because that car is a 2020 Honda Sports, and I got it in 2020. And I was just wondering, could they fix this car? Because if not, you know, I thought they probably would have towed it out, but they didn't. So it do look good. It look good. It look good. It looks back like it did when I got it. So yeah, so I guess I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. And yeah.
Taking time out